Everyone. My name is Shavanaka Kelly, and I'm back with Beyond the Policy webcast. And today I have a wonderful caller with me. Caller, can you say your name and tell us about your business?
Yes, my name is Nelle Speerschneider, and I'm a founding board member with the art studio 100% Milwaukee.
Yes, I love that name, by the way. Now that's very creative. So is the ideal to only have Milwaukee artists in the studio?
Generally speaking, us really, we have a bigger vision for this. So it's 100% Milwaukee, but maybe there'll be in the future a 100% Madison or a 100% Chicago or a 100% Miami. Like, who knows?
Okay, I love it. Start in Milwaukee and then take over the world. I love it.
Exactly.
So, can you tell me what inspired the type of work that you're going to be doing?
Yeah, so really, we are looking to build up the artist community, especially without financial barriers. So, in the commercial gallery system, there are a lot of entrance fees and commissions and things of that nature. We really want to foster a creative space where the artists can connect with the community without it being a financial burden on the artists themselves. With 100% Milwaukee, we're also a working studio. So we're inviting the community into the space with the artists to be able to see how they create. One of my favorite things is actually being in the gallery like week after week and seeing the painters as they build their works. I had no idea how many layers are behind the colors that really give it that depth. So that's an example of some of the things that the community can gain by being a part of the creation of the art itself.
Awesome. Yeah, I love that. So you can actually see the process. You see the
Yeah.
finished product, but to see the process is probably a totally different experience.
Yeah, and we've also had a lot of success with the artists sharing their craft. So we've had some
Mhm.
sketch classes, and we want to do more of that. Like one of our new resident artists is a screen printer. So that's a discipline that requires some special equipment. But by
Mhm.
having that set up in a public space as opposed to this artist's home, we're now going to be able to invite the community in to see and experience that process for themselves. So, establishing some creative workshops where people can learn the craft as well alongside the artists.
Love it. So if someone wanted to get more information about the art gallery, how would they contact you?
So, my favorite thing to say is just come on by. We are
Okay.
open on Fridays, yep, from 5 to 9 p.m., on Saturdays from noon to 8, and then Sundays noon to 6 p.m. So, we're
Okay.
open on the weekends down in the third ward.
Hmm.
Our address is 217 North Broadway. There's a little red fork on the top of the door, but we really just want to invite people to come into this space. And that's really the best way to experience what 100% Milwaukee is all about.
Love it. I love that. So now you know that you and I, we kind of raise our kiddos together. They're
Yeah,
now teenagers driving, learning how
crazy.
to drive.
I know.
High school, they have their own life now. So us moms can kind of venture out and do our own thing. So
Yeah,
I just want to let you know I'm very proud of you and your business. I'm excited
thanks,
to
Mom.
come visit 100% Milwaukee and check out all things art and check out the artists that are there that's going to be doing classes. So I want to honor you today because I think that art is just like the gateway to life. I recently went to New York and I went to see the Broadway show Lion King.
Oh
And
my
after it
gosh.
was done, the first thing that I said is that this is the reason we have the arts because it was just amazing. The actors, they were just phenomenal. So I love what
Yeah,
you're doing. I love that you created an environment for artists to be able to flourish. And because
thank
of
you.
that, I do want to honor you today. I have a vacation voucher for you. So you can
What?
basically take a vacation. Yes.
Oh my
So it's
gosh.
my gift to you for all the work that I know that you've done and will continue to do. What I'll do is I'll send you an email with the details and you can
Thank you,
determine where
Mom.
you want to go. And
Oh my
yeah,
gosh.
just as a thank you.
Oh, that means a lot to me, especially as a single mom. It's hard to get away. I really appreciate that.
So make sure you take advantage of it and get away and let your hair down and have some fun. I know that you will definitely enjoy the experience. Thank you for coming on and chatting with me. me, and I will be in touch.
I appreciate the opportunity. Thanks, Vaughn.
You're welcome.
Bye.